Hello. So we're starting off this video in front of my fridge because I decided it would be a good idea to do a video of cooking for one a week at home, because anyway. So today is Friday and I'm going to be making lo mein and spring rolls. So that'll be my first day of, cooking. So cooking for 1 week, So let me show you. No. So right now I'm cutting and dicing up some zucchini and squash. These carrots are next. I feel like this might seem as a challenge, right, in itself, but I'm determined to do it. So we gotta see. I'm gonna make it something every day. Okay. Is all of the ingredients I'm about to use. Broccoli, we got squash, zucchini, onions, the bottom of green onions, carrots, garlic, ginger, green onion tops or scallions. Over here we got my egg roll wraps, the noodles I'm using. I like these noodles a lot. This is it. Soy sauce, what is that? Sesame oil, and oyster sauce. And this coleslaw this coleslaw is going to act as the filling for these. Of course, I can't forget about my seasoned shrimp. There's a lot going on now because now this is done and the noodles are done. Anyway, I'm about to finish this up and put it, just combine it. About to try it. This is a drink I'm drinking. Oh. Okay, so today's Thursday night. I'm talking to Lauren, so I don't know. I'm awkward. So I'm awkward right now, or I'm awkward right now because my sister's home, and I don't want to be like just talking out in the kitchen to the camera because then we'll have to be like explaining what's going on and all that. So right now, it's Saturday night, and I'm about to make salmon teriyaki. I'm not gonna make the rice and everything because I took out the salmon a while ago and it needs to just be cooked, so I'm gonna just cook the salmon with the teriyaki sauce and show y'all that. Enjoy. Baby. Here is my bowl. And that's teriyaki sauce. It's like thicker now. This is the salmon I never showed. I put in the fridge. Okay, I thought this video was almost over, y'all. It's not over. This video is not over. I thought it was, but it's not over. Okay, it is Tuesday. I skipped yesterday. I did not make anything. Oh yeah, I made rice. So basically, technically, I skipped Sunday. Okay, I skipped Sunday, and so yesterday I made the rice for the teriyaki bowl. Teriyaki bowl. Just want to make it today. Ravioli, and I'm trying to make a little sauce. Let's see how this turns out. Ravioli, my sauce concoction, my creation. mild seasonings, put some of the stuffing in there. Yes, now officially done.